Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide and unhide notes on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the app drawer and search for notes. Now from here just open the notes app. Now from here, if you want to hide any notes, just open the notes. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on hide. Now from here, if you go back, now as you can see, we have successfully hidden the notes. Now to view the hidden notes, just swipe down. Now from here, tap on cancel. Now from here, just enter your privacy protection password. Now from here, as you can see, this is the notes we have just hidden. Now to unhide the hidden notes, just open the notes. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on unhide. Now from here, if you go back, you cannot find the hidden notes in the hidden notes section. Now if you go back, now from here, as you can see, we have successfully unhidden the notes on our smartphone. And this is how you can hide and unhide notes on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.